Welcome back to our Account Management Reference Bible series. In this chapter, we'll continue to explore strategies to optimize productivity and success. In this session, we'll focus on organizing and streamlining workflows. Assessing current workflows. Start by assessing your current workflows to identify inefficiencies or areas for improvement. Establishing clear processes. Establish clear and standardized processes for common tasks and activities in account management. Utilizing task management tools. Leverage task management tools and platforms to keep track of your assignments and deadlines efficiently. Documenting best practices. Document best practices and success stories to share with the team and improve overall workflow. Creating templates and resources. Develop templates and resources for commonly used materials, such as email templates or presentation decks. Centralizing information. Centralize important information, client details, and communication logs for easy access and organization. Implementing collaborative platforms. Utilize collaborative platforms to streamline communication and teamwork within the account management team. Establishing communication protocols. Set clear communication protocols to ensure timely responses and avoid miscommunication. Automating repetitive tasks. Identify repetitive tasks that can be automated using tools and software to save time and effort. Integrating systems. Integrate different systems and tools to create a seamless workflow and avoid duplication of efforts. Conclusion. Organizing and streamlining workflows is crucial for maximizing efficiency and productivity in account management. By assessing current workflows, establishing clear processes, utilizing task management tools, documenting best practices, creating templates and resources, centralizing information, implementing collaborative platforms, establishing communication protocols, automating repetitive tasks, and integrating systems, account managers can create a well-organized and streamlined workflow that enhances their performance. In the next session, we'll explore the topic of leveraging automation and tools to further optimize productivity in account management. So make sure to check it out for more valuable insights in our Account Management Reference Bible series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.